respiration, breathing, very important for the life. Without breathing we can't live. So breathing is a important thing. We have a separate system to improve our breathing, to maintain our breathing. It consists of 2 lungs and 1 trachea. Trachea means the windpipe. When we inhale through the nose, the air is passing through the trachea and it goes to the both lungs. One lung is in the right side, the other one in the left side. Now you can see the diagram where you can see easily the trachea and the two lungs. When we breathe in through the nose, the air, pure air passing through the nose to the lungs. At the lungs, the air is mixed with the blood. That means the blood contains the carbon dioxide because those blood coming from our body. So we want to remove the carbon dioxide and we want to introduce oxygen to the blood. That process is normally happening alveoli in the lungs. That means air is mixing where carbon dioxide is going out and oxygen is going in. Then the other diagram, you can see our aims of physiotherapy in respiration. That means with the respiration, as I told earlier, the air is coming into the body. With that we can improve our breathing. That means our both lungs should work properly. With this diagram you can see the right lung is divided into 3 parts. The left lung is divided into 2 parts. Those parts have separate air exchange. So when we breathe in, we should be able to fulfill all the space inside the lung. Then only we can have proper breathing. When we breathe in, our ventilation is improving. That means air exchange is happening very good way. The main aim is to improve the functions of the lungs. That means when we inhale, all the parts of the lungs are working properly. That means there should not be a collection of fluids inside the lung. So when we breathe properly, those secretions will be removed easily. The other thing is secretions clearance. The very simple way to exclude secretions from our lungs is cough. Cough means very simple thing, we can produce ourselves, then secretion will going out. The other thing is exercise tolerance. Sometimes some of the children can't do exercises for few minutes continuously because they are having some respiratory problem. That means they are having air exchange is not happening properly. Then to remove the secretions from the lungs and airways, we can use lot of positions. Those positions we can introduce in that diagram. If the child is very small, we can keep the child on our body in various positions. Then all part of the lungs are working according to the positions. If the child is having secretion, more and more secretions in the upper part of the lungs, we can position the child to drain all these secretions into the trachea. Then trachea will help to remove the secretions. Likewise, you can see this diagram, then you can see lot of positions, 5 positions are there according to the secretions inside the lungs. As well as you can see the other diagram also, where we can help the child to remove the secretions by tapping. To remove the secretions, we can help by tapping the chest of the child. That means we are tapping with our hands on the child's chest, then the secretions inside the chest will get disturbed. With that disturbance, the secretions will loosen. Then if the child cough properly, those secretions can be evacuated. So, you can see the diagram where the mother is having some equipment on the hand. So, by using that equipment, the very soft rubber part, by using those rubber part, the mother is tapping the child's chest. With the other diagram, you can see position in bending. When the child is bending forward, the mother also can tap over the chest wall backside. Then again secretions will get loosened. According to this technique, we can loosen secretions in each part of the lung. That is the important thing. So, it is very effective method to remove the secretions from the children and as well as the adults by tapping the child's chest to remove the secretions.